Hello internet friends. Today we're going to talk about how to make miniature holders for holding your miniatures when you paint them with acrylic paints. It's pretty easy to do. All you do is get a prescription bottle. I bought a batch of these on Amazon, I think for like 10 bucks. I got 30 or 40 of them and they're empty. And then you need something to weight them so they don't fall over easily. I get glass beads in the dollar store, like $1. You make 4 or 5 of these per bag. You can also use BBs. Loose change. People use rocks and gravel from their yard or outside. Sand. The finger of an enemy. I don't care. Whatever you want, whatever you want to use is fine. Then you get some blue poster tack to hold your mini on there. Blue poster tack's like 2 or 3 bucks. On they have it on Amazon or at Walmart, Target, CVS, wherever you shop. You get on there, put it on top, and then you get your miniature. And you just mush it into the stuff. And it's good to go to paint. The reason you want to do this is so you paint from all angles. I think I made a video earlier showing sometimes when I'm painting, I will brace this on the table, my hand when I'm doing eyeballs, so I can be more exact. These bases work really well. Also keeps you from touching and biffing your miniatures while you're painting. It's kind of hard to hold a miniature while you paint it, but this makes it much easier. And again, you can get these online or get them from your doctor or veterinarian's office. This you can get online or Walmart. These you can get online if you want, but really just go to a dollar store and get them. But these 3 components, or money, or BBs or dirt, is all you really need to step up your painting game to have a nice little handle. And they have different size ones. This is a bit thicker one. The final little hack is if you have a bigger miniature, like one of the like medium-sized dragons that like Nolzur's makes or something, dragon like on a stand, and it's too big for one of these bad boys, all you gotta do, get a can of soup. Here's the weirdo like pull top thing now. I say weirdo because like this is how all soup cans are, but I'm old, where they used to be crank off. All you do is turn your soup can upside down where there's less stuff. Put a big blob, not this big, but like put your stuff on here, your blue tack, make it flatter than this obviously, and then just mush your dragon stand onto that, and then you have a nice heavy thing that won't tip over for your dragon. But yeah, that's how you do it. I'll have links to all this stuff in the show notes or the show description, and thanks for watching.